Strengthen your bones and fight osteoporosis naturally with this superfood. As the years go by, our bones naturally wear down, becoming more fragile and susceptible to conditions like osteoporosis. This can lead to unexpected fractures, affecting quality of life and mobility. But what if I told you that a simple, accessible, and natural ingredient could be your ally in strengthening your bones? Today, I'll introduce you to this powerful superfood that can transform your bone health. It might already be in your kitchen. Stick with me until the end to discover how something so small can make a huge difference in your health. First, why is bone health so important? Osteoporosis is a condition marked by the loss of bone density. It's known as a silent disease because its effects often go unnoticed until a fracture occurs, usually in areas like the hips, spine, or wrists. This condition affects millions of people worldwide, especially women after menopause, but also impacts men as they age. Strengthening your bones and preventing bone density loss is key to maintaining independence and quality of life as the years go on. It all starts with proper nutrition and preventive strategies. The secret lies in sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are nature's gift. Though small, they are packed with essential nutrients for bone health. 1. Calcium, which is crucial for forming and maintaining bone structure. 2. Magnesium, which helps calcium bind to bones and maintains the balance between calcium and vitamin D. 3. Phosphorus, which works with calcium to create stronger bones and teeth. 4. Zinc, which promotes bone regeneration and protects against bone loss. These seeds also contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that protect joints and improve overall health. What are the benefits of sesame seeds for your bones? Sesame seeds are one of the best natural sources of calcium, even surpassing many dairy products in mineral density. Additionally, their healthy fats enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, which is vital for bone health. A daily serving of 1 to 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds can provide calcium to boost bone density, magnesium to support muscle function and bone health, phosphorus to help structure resilient bones. These nutrients together are essential to preventing osteoporosis and ensuring lifelong bone health. How can you incorporate sesame seeds into your diet? Sesame seeds are versatile and can easily be added to your meals. Sprinkle them over salads and hot dishes. Add them to your yogurt or morning smoothies. Make homemade sesame milk. Use them in recipes like bread, cakes, and cookies. Here's an easy recipe for sesame milk. 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. 200 milliliters of water. Optional, add a fruit like banana or papaya for a richer flavor. Blend everything together and strain if needed. This milk is an excellent source of calcium and other essential minerals for your bones. Additional tips to protect your bones. Besides consuming sesame seeds, adopting a healthy lifestyle is essential. Maintain a balanced diet by including other calcium-rich foods like dark leafy greens, almonds, and tofu. Expose yourself to sunlight in moderation. It's a natural source of vitamin D, which helps with calcium absorption. Exercise regularly with activities like walking, Pilates, or yoga to strengthen bones and improve balance. Avoid excess salt, caffeine, and alcohol, which can harm bone health. Stay hydrated. Water is vital for bone cell health. Small steps, big results. By starting today and adding sesame seeds to your diet, you'll be taking a major step toward protecting your bones and ensuring an active, healthy future. Prevention is always better than cure. Have you tried sesame seeds before? If so, how do you like to use them? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to share this tip with your friends and family. After all, health is a gift everyone deserves. Remember, your health begins with small daily choices. See you next time, and take good care of yourself.